Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing an update to my skincare project plan. So if you're interested in seeing what I get to roll out this month and just in general my progress for those products, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's just start off with the things that I'm most excited about, which are the products that I had finished up. So the first thing is the Good Molecules Overnight Exfoliating Treatment. I only had this little bit left and I used it up within a week. So I'm super happy that I have it finished, but it's a little bit bittersweet because I love this product and it works so well for my skin. But I won't repurchase until I get through the you know, some of the other serums that I have, because you know I don't want to be wasteful. So whatever what I am rolling in place of all of these products, I will show at the end, just so you know. Then the next thing that I used up actually yesterday, right, just making sure, is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So as you can see, the last month I had used that much, and the reason why I used up so much is because I ran out of this, so I was using the hyaluronic acid instead of the overnight treatment. And also I used up my mask, so you know I was using this in place of 3 other things, so that's why the progress was so substantial. But this is one of my favorite hyaluronic acid serums because it doesn't peel up, it actually hydrates my skin and my face feels very plump the next day. I really enjoy that one. Then I finally used up my Dr. Papa lip balm, and as you can see I only had that little bit left here and I managed to finish that up during the month also, and I'm super excited. That means there's one more lip balm out of my collection. I have like 16 lip balms that I need to get through, so you know I'm working through them because I don't need that many lip balms. And then the last product that I finished up was my Neobay Origin Recovery Mask, and I introduced this one last month, and as you can see I used up the whole thing. I think there was about 3 uses left in this little guy, and yeah, I quite enjoyed it. It was a nice kind of renewing mask, if that makes any sense. Okay, so let's talk about the products that I still have left to finish off. The first thing is my Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So oh yeah, I keep forgetting, I'll show you pictures. So as you can see from the progress pictures, I used up quite a bit, but I'm still not there yet, unfortunately. But I don't have much left to you know, to use up. So I think I'm sure by next month we'll have another moisturizer out on my collection and another one rolling into this project, which I'm super excited about. Okay, then let's talk about my Silkcare So Sweet and Natural Lip Scrub. I am almost finished with this guy. A couple of more uses and this will be done. This is something that I will definitely repurchase because it just works for my lips. It exfoliates them nicely. It tastes so good. It smells so good. It smells like literal blueberries. Very, very nice. I love it. And yeah, I'll definitely be repurchasing that. Now I don't know if I will repurchase this in the blueberry scent or the orange one. I think I want to try something different, so I'll probably use the orange one next. But I really love that one, and I'll be, you know, kind of sad to see it go because it's a really nice product. Then for my exfoliator, I had the Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel. Almost there, not quite. Still a couple of more uses left in this guy, but I am 100% sure that this will be done by next update. This is like a clear gel that you would massage onto your wet face, and it would start to combine with the dead skin on your face into little kind of pills, you know. It would literally just start to peel up, and this creates the exfoliating effect. So it is very lovely, and especially if you use a very hydrating serum or a mask after this, chef's kiss. So so good. My skin really feels really nice and smooth after using this, guys, so I really enjoy it. Then I had the Lacura Healthy Glow Rose Toner, like I said in last month's video, that this will probably take me a month or two. As we can see, it will take me 2 months, so by next update I should be finished with this one. But basically it is a toner that I use before I do my skincare in the morning to kind of, you know, cleanse my face and get rid of any residue makeup that might have, you know, been left after cleansing. But although I do double cleanse, so that rarely happens, but it's still nice and refreshing. I really enjoy that one. It doesn't dry my skin out, it actually hydrates it to the point where I feel that my skin doesn't overproduce oils in conjunction if I combine this with my regular morning skincare routine. I really enjoy that one. Then for my eye cream, I have the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for face. So basically this is a concentrated eye cream that you could use all over your face. That's nothing, you know, scientifically major, because you can basically use your moisturizer as your eye cream or your eye cream as your moisturizer, however you like it. You know, it's still kind of the area on your face, to be honest. But you know, this one is marketed as something amazing like that. I enjoy it. It's a lovely hydrating eye cream. It is concentrated because you can feel it on you know, when you apply it. But yeah, is it something special? Not necessarily, but I do enjoy using it, to be honest. Then I have my Good Molecules Clarify and Cleanse Bar. I mentioned in the last update that I think I will you know, just discard of this regardless of how much I have left you know, this month. But I changed my mind. There's still a little bit of it left, so I'll just keep using it until I really can't use it anymore, because this still lathers up, so I don't want to waste any product. I just want to, you know, feel satisfied with finishing it, and if I were to discard it now, I wouldn't feel satisfied with that. This is a lovely cleanser. If you are environmentally conscious, I think this would be a good option for you, because it is in a, you know, in a soap bar type of format, so that means you don't have excess packaging, and the packaging that you do have is cardboard, so it's recyclable. I'm not necessarily that concerned with that aspect of my makeup, but it is nice to try out something different, and this definitely is it. I enjoy using it. It cleanses my face perfectly, the same way that a gel cleanser would. So I have nothing against this product. It's just the application method is not my favorite. And then the last product that I have in my skincare project pan is my Nail Berry Little Treasure Nourishing Cuticle Oil. I am making steady progress, I have to say. It'll still be a year before I can finish this off. That is okay. I knew that it is going to take ages when I was putting this guy into my project pan, but I just want to use it up because I have a cuticle cream in my backup, and also another cuticle oil that is waiting, you know, to get its turn. So I just want to finish this off as soon as possible. But yeah, it is now time to introduce the 4 new products that will be a part of this project pan. So for my mask, I am introducing the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. So this is supposed to mattify and invigorate. Now this is a little bit of a gimme product because I used it yesterday and I've already used half of it, so there is only 1 more use left. But I want to, you know, keep myself accountable, because this was in my little basket for weeks and I never touched it. So yesterday was the first time that I actually, you know, kind of went about to say, oh, I still have this. So I want to put this into this project so that I remember to use it. And I just want to rotate through my Okay, as I was saying, I just want to rotate through my masks as much as possible, and even if it means introducing it into a project and only using it 2 times and it being done, that's fine by me. Then for my lip balm, I have another Dr. Papa lip balm. This one is on its last leg also, but from my experience this will probably last me a month. So, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if I still have something left by the next update. But this one is very old. It's definitely over a year old, and you get like 25 mils of product, and I only use it on my lips. So yeah, it's a very old, so I just want to get it out of my collection. But yeah, these are my favorite lip balms. I would not... I tried the EOS ones and they're fine, but they're not as good as this. So whenever I go through all of my lip balms, this is definitely the one that I will be repurchasing. But I think I'll buy it in the small size because of how long it takes to use them up. So yeah. Then for my serum, I decided to roll in the Balance Me Bakuchiol smoothing serum. So Bakuchiol is a retinol alternative. It is a plant-derived retinol alternative, and yeah, I just want to try it out. I am scared of retinol, so I would probably never use retinol myself. It just seems so complicated, to be honest, and I think the plant-derived version might be a little bit better. It just doesn't sound as scary, to be honest. So this is never used and never touched. It is going to be used for the first time tonight, so I'll keep you posted on how I like it. But I'm very excited to, you know, put this into my rotation, my skincare rotation. And then the last product that I am rolling in is for the overnight treatment, like a spot treatment. I unfortunately don't have any other overnight treatments, but I do have a spot stick. So this is the Australian Body Care Tea Tree Oil Spot Stick. So I am about halfway, maybe a little bit more than halfway through this product. So I want to see how long it would take me to finish this this off. And yeah, you better be sure that I'll be using this every night because masking is real and I have spots absolutely everywhere. But yeah, that completes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked I hope you like in general my skincare project pan. I hope you find it interesting. Just let me know in the comments down below if you like it, if you are doing a project pan yourself, whether it is makeup or skincare related. Just let me know. But yeah, like I said, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.